How much should you actually spend on a carpet cleaner? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but often find themselves disappointed. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner. We have the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, priced at $129.99. This caught my eye because it's America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by over 7 million households. If you want to tackle messes quickly and efficiently, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Little Green features an ultra-powerful triple-action formula that can lift and remove over 100 common stains. It's scientifically proven to eliminate odors and restore your carpets to like-new condition. With a large 48-ounce clean water tank, you can clean more without frequent trips to the sink. Plus, it's lightweight at just 9.65 pounds, making it easy to carry around the house for quick cleanups. Now, some people complained about its noise level, saying it can be a bit loud during operation. Here's the thing though, while it does make some noise, it's not a deal breaker for most people since the results are impressive. If you have pets or kids, the ability to remove stains quickly outweighs the noise. This is perfect for you if you're a pet owner or have kids that tend to leave messes everywhere. Skip this one if you're looking for something that runs quietly in the background. All in all, you're getting solid value for your money with this one. Now, if the Little Green's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Clean View Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum. I find it interesting because it combines full-size power in a compact design, making it ideal for apartments or dorms. You won't find a price here, but it's known for being budget-friendly. If you want a powerful vacuum that saves space, this might be just what you need. This vacuum weighs less than 10 pounds, which means you can easily maneuver it around your home. The quick-release extension wand allows you to switch from carpets to upholstery without missing a beat. Plus, it features scatter-free technology, ensuring that messes on hard floors are captured, not pushed around. It's backless, so once you're done, you can empty the dirt tank with just the press of a button. However, some users have noted that it struggles a bit with thick carpets. But honestly, if you live in a smaller place or have mostly hard floors, this shouldn't be a major issue for you. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space and need something lightweight and efficient. Skip this if you have large carpeted areas that require deeper cleaning. You'll definitely appreciate the value you're getting with this one. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with pets. Product number 3, Clean View Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum. The Bissell Clean View Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum, retailing at $139.99. I was drawn to this one because of its specialized features for pet owners. If you have furry friends that shed everywhere, this vacuum is worth a serious look. The Clean View Swivel offers edge-to-edge cleaning power and a triple-action brush roll designed to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair. The swivel steering makes it easy to navigate around furniture, which is a lifesaver in a pet-friendly home. It also has a large capacity dirt tank, meaning fewer trips to empty it while you clean. Plus, it's equipped with scatter-free technology for hassle-free cleaning on hard floors. However, some reviewers mention that the vacuum can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with pet hair and messes often, the bulkiness is worth the extra power and cleaning efficiency. This is perfect for you if you're a pet owner who needs a reliable vacuum that tackles hair and dirt effectively. Skip this if you want something ultra lightweight that you can easily store away. You'll find it's a great value for the performance it delivers. Now, if you need something specifically for tough stains, the next product is just for you.
Product number 4, TurboClean Pet XL Carpet Cleaner. Let's check out the Bissell TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner. This one caught my attention because it's specifically designed to tackle tough pet stains and odors. While I don't have a price, it's known to be very effective for deep cleaning. If you want to save time and get back to your day faster, this should be on your radar. With a clean path of 10 inches, this machine allows for wide cleaning coverage. Its 4-row deep-reach power brush works wonders on stains and allergens. Plus, the 1-gallon clean tank means fewer refills, which is a huge benefit when you're cleaning large areas. You'll also appreciate the included tough stain tool for hard-to-reach spots like stairs and upholstery. Some people found it a bit heavy at 23.26 pounds, but I'll be real with you, the cleaning power it provides makes the weight a minor issue, especially if you have a lot of ground to cover. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets or a family that creates frequent messes.
Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to store. You're getting substantial value for the cleaning effectiveness. Finally, if you're looking for something more portable for quick cleanups, you really need to see this last product.
Product number 5, Stain Striker Portable Cleaner. The Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet, Upholstery, and Area Rug Cleaner. Honestly, I was surprised by how effective this little cleaner is, especially for pet messes. While it doesn't have a fixed price, it's often seen as a budget-friendly option. If you often face spills or stains, this is worth checking out. This portable cleaner features ultra-powerful suction that can remove tough stains and lingering odors, even pet urine. The dual octadid formula boosts stain removal effectiveness significantly. Weighing just 8.51 pounds, it's easy to handle and store, making it perfect for quick cleanups around the house or even in your car. Plus, with multiple tools included, you can tackle a variety of surfaces with ease. However, some users reported that it might not hold as much water as they would like. But honestly, for on-the-spot cleaning, it's an excellent choice, and the convenience can outweigh this limitation for many. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable and efficient cleaner for quick messes. Skip this if you want something that can handle large areas in one go. The value here is fantastic for the convenience it offers.
So, to quickly sum it up, the Little Green is great for quick cleanups. The Compact Turbo is fantastic for small spaces. The Clean View Swivel is perfect for pet owners. The Turbo Clean excels at deep cleaning, and the Stain Striker is ideal for on-the-go cleaning. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.